I want to explain a little bit what I'm doing. I've loaded up the soil block maker with soil. Now there's a tiny little bit of a learning curve, but it doesn't take long, just a few blocks and you'll understand how to do it. Put your soil block down, let me move this back a bit so you can see, and then apply pressure here until you see a bit of water coming out from the soil. Can you see that? And now once you get a little bit of water coming out, you've compressed the soil blocks enough that they'll hold together, and then lift it off. This one's a bit messy, but that's okay. And that's it. So fill it, compress it until a little bit of water comes out, then release it. That's all there is to soil blocks.